Lesson 6. Wild animals. Listen and say. A hippo. A zebra. A rhino. A lion. A giraffe. An elephant. Is it a rhino? No, it isn't. Is it a lion? Yes, it is. Is it a giraffe? No, it isn't. Is it a zebra? Yes, it is. Is it a hippo? No, it isn't. Is it an elephant? Yes, it is. Unscramble and write. Number 1. It's a zebra. Zebra. Number 2. It's an elephant. Elephant. Number 3. It's a giraffe. Giraffe. Number 4. It's a rhino. Rhino. Number 5. It's a hippo. Hippo. Number 6. It's a lion. Lion. Read and circle. Is it a giraffe? Yes, it is. Is it a hippo? No, it isn't. Is it an elephant? No, it isn't. Is it a zebra? Yes, it is. Listen and say. A tiger. A snake. A monkey. An iguana. A tiger. A snake. A monkey. An iguana. Match. 1 and E. 2 and F. 3 and A. 4 and B. 5 and C. 6 and D. Look, listen, and write. 1. Is it an iguana? No, it isn't. 2. Is it a tiger? Yes, it is. 3. Is it a snake? Yes, it is. 4. Is it a monkey? No, it isn't. 5. Is it an elephant? No, it isn't. Look and write. Picture 1. It's an elephant. Picture 2. It's a tiger. Picture 3. It's a snake. Picture 4. It's an iguana. Picture 5. It's a monkey. Listen and say. Zebras, lions, rhinos, elephants, listen and answer. Are they zebras? No, they aren't. Are they lions? Yes, they are. Are they elephants? No, they aren't. Are they rhinos? Yes, they are. Word bank. Elephants, giraffes, hippos, iguanas, lions, monkeys, rhinos, snakes, tigers, zebras. Listen, point and say. M, mom, mouse. N, nap, nut. O, ox, octopus. Listen and write. Rhino, lions, snakes, hippo, hippos, tiger, iguana, giraffes, monkeys, monkey. Let's sing.
Let's play a game with an animal name. It isn't orange, it isn't blue, it's black and white. Is it a zebra? Yes, it is. They aren't pink, they aren't gray, they're orange and brown. Are they giraffes? Yes, they are. Now play the game with an animal name. Now play the game with an animal name.
Listen and check the answers. Look at picture 1. Are they tigers? No, they aren't. They're rhinos. Look at picture 2. Are they monkeys? No, they aren't. They're giraffes. Look at picture 3. Are they rhinos? No, they aren't. They're tigers. Look at picture 4. Are they giraffes? No, they aren't. They're monkeys. Thank you for learning with us. It's time to stop. See you next time with Lesson 7, Farm Animals.